person sa Ecoland. Nagulat nilang Sheree o iyang husband. Kaya meet nila pero wala pa sila. Getting happy sa mama. So while nagulat ko dito sa mga table, si Chris started doon nag-order food. Basta mo na sa lito. Sada ko makita ka Sheree. Mag 2 years na may wala nagkita. Hi Chris!
Hey.
So we're waiting for...
Sheree.
Yeah, Sheree Oboy.
And her husband, right?
Yeah. So kani yung gi-order. Saan may tawag kani? What's
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake kani?
Oreo cheesecake.
Or cheesecake. Bigta lang kay siya chocolatey. Kani ako Kay gibawal ako siya mga sweets. So yeah, magtagad me. Bilang Sheree. Or wala pagyapon sila. Hi. Ginahan ko karon kay dili kaayo siya ugnaw, di pud kay siya init. Sakto ra kay ang temperature.
I'm glad we're here first because I hate being late.
Oo, Jud. Ikan pa ba nandun sa bangko kaya naamig itang sila na pants. So magtagal na sa amin nila. Finally, nanadun sila. Hi, Cher! Ano si Kuato? Hi!
Ako ba na?
Yeah. Yes. Huy! Ay, shit. Singan si mong husband?
Leo.
Rayo. Ay! Ay, bali. Ay!
Hello. Basta.
Ay, wala kita.
Kapi kami?
Hindi naman takatoy wala nakita.
Yes, kaya nga akong buga.
Ang bariyo ba ito? Kita ko sa akong vlog na.
Wala.
Ayun, as in, nahurot sila na. Nagpa-laser mangog ko. Sa buhok ba, kay sa akong pikos bitaw. Pero gwapo siya kay kag-crush siya ganun yung hair ba.
Kung ano. Mag-uwi.
Ay, ali. Ano? Karon na kami sa Camella Northpoint. Si Chris mag-vlog siya karon for the first time na.
It's gonna be done soon.
Yeah. We have a unit here in Liverpool. 6th floor, my dear, no?
Yeah.
So this is the view. Going there. Exercise man kayo. Dito po mag-jogging dere. Kita na naman silang Sheree. Someday soon we can go to United States and meet them there.
Nice hike.
Boy, nice hike. May mga pine trees, pero mug na nga matay man os kainit.
Show the pine trees.
Tura. Lalaya.
That is one magnificent building. You cannot see it on the camera, but if you saw it in person, it's pretty amazing.
We're na focus sa budget now. Wait, asa to ah? 6th floor?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah, it's 6th floor.
Nice. Nice big view dari ari.
Wow.
As in.
I can't believe how amazing this thing is.
Mount building is 15th floor.
We have
Liverpool.
a friend who owns a unit in this one. This third one over here on the left.
We'll show you the swimming pool. Mo na swimming pool dari. Nas lagi ayo or renovate siguro nila. Nice. Ato bilang taas. I'm not sure kung pwede ka sa taas. Pwede masakaan taas? Pwede? Okay, salamat. Sa taas ha. Para makita itong view. Muna mga daan ng mga pinakaunang building na diri sa Northpoint.
Looks like we need to repaint that one.
Oh, very nice. So kung pwede mo diri maski diri mo owner o kanang unit diri, pwede mo mga ligo diri. Magbayad mag 100 each person. Mag-picnic-picnic lang. Mga workers.
Wow. That's
Ah,
nice.
nice. So, dali ko napita. Nawa, nag-work sila.
So the building or the floors 1 through 7 will be finished by November or December of this year, very soon.
Wow.
That's when the units will get turned over to the owners.
Saka ta sa second, sa
Gym on the third
third
floor. Right?
floor. Uy, nice. See the...
Let's see the gym over here.
Muna yung third floor there sa ilang. What's this? May clubhouse, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Di transfer. Ow! Kapit ko na pa, no? So this is the, what's this?
Mini gym.
Mini gym. Okay, gamay man siya.
Yeah, you can come over here.
Nasa pimpungan dari. Oh, wow! Nice good ang view ko dari.
It's a little bit intimidating being here because it looks like you could fall down.
Simple.
Film over here. Look, go up over like that. Look, there's Avida Towers over there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, makita daw to. Oh, makita din yung anang tawag ay Avida Towers.
Yeah.
Pero kana siya sa may Claveria dati.
Okay, let's go
My
back.
dear, what building is this? Is that the one?
I forgot, but that's the third building.
Wow.
We have a friend that owns a 4-bedroom unit in that building. So if you want to rent, just let us know and we'll forward you to him.
Yeah. We only own a studio one.
Yeah, we have a very small unit.
Nice. Oh, nanigitsura siya, oh. Mahadlok ba ako ka ng kuan taas, pero naglantaw magugo sa LCD. Kung nandira kay kumahadlok. Pero kung ako, hadlok dito ay. Mali kong mulanta sa
There's a
ubos.
space for an aircon.
Yeah. Pero mas nice ang mga kay na-share ka ng opening ba? Na-share ka ng, what's up my dear? We have
Sky
like
Gardens or
Sky Garden.
it's an opening that you
Oo.
can see outside.
Nice. So that's it for now, guys. Uli namin. Ay, di pa dahil mato pa mi og ng kuan SM ikolan kay magpa-hot oil sa kuno ko ingon si Chris kay dry kuno kay kong buhok. So bye-bye. Kaya na ay restaurant diri kanang White House ang tawag nila. Balay may dati, gihimo lang restaurant.
This is the original building. They kept it intact.
Oh.
It's so old. It's the old owner of this lot.
Even this? This is
No,
old.
they might have added this, but the basic structure
I
of
really
the
like
White
it.
House is the same.
I like looking old houses, my dear.
Oh yeah, you like Victorian, right? So
Yeah, I like Victorian houses. Is this Victorian? No.
maybe.
Di mo ni Victorian. Hi. Hello.
Is there any food? Baton?
Abre?
Mamaya pang 6.
Ay?
Drinks. Open tayo.
Hi.
Where came from, sir?
So this is the White House.
So, dessert lang if you want.
Ano sa name mo? Name mo?
Ken.
Ah. Jericho Rosales.
Jericho.xyz.
Nice place, oh. Naida ko yung balite, oh, tara. Yeah, this is the restaurant, which was a house before. Ah,
Oh, you have to eat though. You're very niwang, my dear.
sige, sige. Mag-drinks. Tour?
Yes, ma'am.
Tour. Sige, mag-tour ko niya. Tour guide ka na mo.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, wow.
This is the dining area.
Dining area na siya.
Yes, ma'am. Gusto niyo po yung light? Para mas...
Oh, pwede.
Maybe dessert, my dear.
Dessert.
Yes, we have ano, sir? We have dark chocolate cake.
Agay, chocolate cake mo. Chocolate cake po ko ganiya.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Ah, nice. Di ba dapat, di ba dati, Japanese diri? Caroline na po.
Japanese and French tayo, ma'am. Fusion.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
Dinapog mo'y bar-bar. Then kayo sa taas, functioning.
Yes, ma'am. Function room.
Wow.
Kung magpakasal na kayo.
Original, kasal naman may.
Yes, sir.
Original din nga, ano? House.
Original, ma'am, and 50% is renovated na.
50% renovated na.
50% is original, 50%.
Kay ginahan kay kog main ani nga house ba? Old house. Nice. Walay mumo dire.
Meron, ma'am.
Meron?
Yes.
Oh, so there's ghost daw dire daw. Ginahan kay ko first time na ako nakita ni karaan ni siya.
Yan, yes, ma'am. Kasabay ng White House ito. Ito ang kasabay.
Karaan ni? Oh, this is old kuno. Wow.
Also, balite, ma'am, and Acacia.
So say ghost dire.
Mabait naman, ma'am. White lady.
White lady lang.
When ready for
So they have a very friendly white lady ghost. Wow. Wow, nice. Marago ko din balik sa unang panahon.
Yes.
Kisa tagiyan ni dati.
Si Mr. Robert Kier, ma'am. Pinakaunang may-ari. Isang
Mr. Robert
Kier.
Gear?
Kier, ma'am. Kier.
Kier.
Yes.
Dahil ano sa iyong nationality?
Siya ang ma'am, pinakaunang may-ari nito na puti. So, US.
US ya.
Yes, ma'am. Panahon pa ng mga Hapon si Kira. So, ito naman yung one.
O sa panahon pa. Wow, mura man po ni siya agatong
Last Supper, ma'am.
sa kapanahonan ni Aguinaldo.
Hindi, si Sopiso. So,
No.
yes, ma'am.
Mura siya presidential room.
Ito rin ginaganap yung mga meeting.
Meetings na, Puna na siya yung mga room, pero gipantanggal na, no?
Yes, ma'am.
As in, nice.
This is
And then, hello din ta sa CCTV camera. Kani, inyo, ano eh.
Yes, ma'am. Ayan, ma'am. Dinagdag na yan.
Kani, saan na siya? Kwarto.
Function room din, ma'am.
Okay.
Ito naman ang terrace, ma'am.
Wow!
May mga proposal or mga date.
Oh, bita, no, anniversary.
Mga candles and then
Purya, buyag.
petals ng roses.
Nice.
And then pag umulan, meron naman
Oh
tayo
wow, look,
moving.
look at the Liverpool building from here.
Pag umulan na,
Yes, ma'am. Pwede natin ibutan.
abi ko na kung kuha na siya. Tawag na.
Zipline.
Zipline na.
Look at that building from here.
Yeah. Oh, kung pwede mo, gusto mo mag-zipline, pwede ka mag-zipline na,
Okay, itong banda na ito, ma'am. Ito is renovated. So,
So this area daw ko, girenovate na. So, gidungag na siya.
Yes, ma'am. And the
Ah,
kitchen,
the kitchen.
downstairs. And also the...
Kana siya.
Ayan, ma'am. Yung CR na yan, ma'am. Dating mga room yan ng mga maids. So, dyan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, may mga ghosts talaga pagdating. Tour nyo, ma'am.
Kani?
Yes, ma'am. CR.
So, according to...
Ken.
Ken. Ni, hadlok ko. Dito, I'm not really afraid with ghosts. This is the CR.
Yes, ma'am.
Supposed to be,
Ladies
this
CR.
was the maid's room. Basta na white lady, ha? Kadlok. Pwede siya. Oh, this was supposed to be a maid's room. So, diri daw ang mga white lady. Pero friendly man sila.
Dati, ma'am, may nahukay dito.
Ay!
Dito sa ilalim ng ano. So, may...
Bungo, you know what, bungo, skull.
Yes.
So, saan na siya, ladies?
Ladies, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Mga
So-
customers namin dito, mga guests namin, hindi, mga regular guests, hindi sila nagsisare dito. Doon nila sila sa mga.
Okay naman, the atmosphere is okay man, init lang. Oh, first time na ako nakakita OCR na na-icon, air conditioner.
Meron naman tayo.
Nice siya. As in, maid's room dati. It was a maid's room a long time ago. Then this is the gentleman na
Yes.
CR. Tawan po rin,
Doon naman masyado sa babae, ma'am, dito naman sa lalaki, medyo wala.
Ay, wala. So, this area,
Doon lang sa...
there's no momo daw. You know what momo ghost? Uri. Gloomy po kayo mo, oy, sugam lang. Horror kayo.
Team kayo, ma'am, team.
It's been, look my their bob is so gloomy. So, laji momo. So simple lang. Hadlo ko, hindi ko ba rin, nabit white lady. So, thank you kayo sa tour.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
I hope you see you again, ma'am.
Of course. We have a unit there.
Oh wow, this is steep.
Ay pa si kuya ka, naganahan pa siya
Hello, sir.
Kaya, original ni siya. Or gidungag na?
Ito ang dinagdag na ito.
Dinagdag na?
Yung bahay na po natin is
Din lang sa ilalim.
Pero
na
may pinakadaghang ghost. Wala, mag-ano ba kami sa...
actually, yung ano talaga rito is the house is 116 years old house. So, very
Wow.
obviously na may tumitira talaga.
Tapos ang inyo pa yung kahoy.
Yeah.
My
Ako,
goodness.
I've been here
Puto na.
4 years ago.
Nakita ng white lady ah.
Hindi mo white lady.
White lady,
White
marami
lalaki.
naman.
Ano wala may white boy?
Nakita ko na lahat ng dapat ko makita dito.
White boy ah, white boy.
White boy.
Kasi dito. Bad boy. Mga very historical house.
Historical. 116 years old house.
Yes,
Wow,
built
my
on
goodness.
1900. So,
Pero intact gapon siya, no?
isa 65%
Tour
totally
ko kayo
renovated.
sana sa kitchen. No?
65%.
Yes, kasi some
Ah?
of the materials was already destroyed by termites, so they need to remove it.
Oh, gani, no? Pero at least ang inyong idea sa NCR.
Ganda, no?
Titugibon.
Aircon.
Nice idea, no? Ang mangi dyan, hindi makatiwa sa kihi.
Doon ang maganda, may kirot-kirot.
Kirot, oh. Na, then ano-anak pa dyan ba?
Una panahon dyan, isa yung ano, yung bali, tulugan ng mga katulong at saka kitchen.
Sa,
Ng panahon. So, right now, ito into restaurant, so it's spending $1 million. I think,
may kami English siya. Ginaan. Sige, he's really good at English.
yeah, talaga.
Yeah.
Sa ano po dito, ma'am, every Wednesday to Saturday, we have a live acoustic band here.
Yeah.
Regularly, so you were
Live band.
Every
Wednesday to
Wednesday.
Saturday.
Mamaya, no? Because today's Wednesday.
Sir, you already moved in your unit?
No,
Sige.
we're waiting.
You're
We're
waiting.
waiting.
It's not done yet?
No, by November daw. Kay
So-
6th floor man me.
Walking distance na lang po yung restaurant nyo rito.
Walking distance yun. Thank you kay Kuya.
You're welcome, ma'am. You're
Thank you kaayo, Ken. And your name is?
Salamat.
RD. Kuya, thank you.